Welcome back. Welcome back. I got a project to do. I got a customer that wants me to build something, and we're going to build it. That sounded really dumb. Let's try this again. I'm back, and I got a project to do, and it pays money, so that's super good, right? I got to make a rustic chest, locker chest, foot chest, the kind like goes at the end of the bed. Yeah, so dimensions 38 wide, 17 deep, and 18 inches high. And I'm going to make this out of rough sawn white pine that was actually made locally here, kiln dried. It's going to look good. Stick with me. Let's get started. We got 1x10s, 8 foot long. We need to rip those down into 3-inch strips. So I got my cut list ready to go. I need 20 3-inch by 15.5 and 24 3-inch by 38-inch long. So we're going to cut our 38-inch in our 15-inch pieces, and then we're going to rip them down. We're going to be cutting 2 different lengths out of our 8 foot 1x10s. So I'm going to run 2 stops. I'm going to run a short stop. I can flip up for 1 cut, and then we have a long stop for our 38-inch cut. So. Whoa, I don't know if y'all can hear that on the camera, but it is booming outside. I want 38, right? 38. We got our pieces glued up, and we're going to let them cure overnight. Some of them are still clamped up. They haven't set yet. But we'll get back with it in the morning. See you in a second. Next step, we'll do a little light sand on the back, knock down some of the glue residue. Flip the panel over, knock down some of this roughness so the stain takes more evenly. That, and it'll also highlight some of the curve marks from the circular sawn. And yeah, it's going to look good. we're going to glue and nail cleats on the sides to catch our bottom coming down. One down. Let's put this thing together. Oh well. Finger it is.
You did check and make sure it fits in there.
Nope. Why would I check, make sure it fits in here? That would be way too easy. Very nice. As you're seeing, the box is all done. Now we got to make the lid. I'm going to set up a frame and then I'm going to lay a panel on top of it. About right for a butt, isn't it? 14 inches. That's funny. That's what we'll do. let's see what it looks like all together. I'm gonna put a lid locator inside our box here. Basically, it's gonna be a 1/2 inch lip all the way around, so when the lid comes down and someone sits on it, it doesn't shift, won't move. Good idea. Got us a shim, 1/2 inch shim, so I know where to put this at. Clamp. Perfect. Woo, those things are hard to squeeze. Yeah. Probably not wise to shoot towards myself. Time for stain. We got red mahogany. Here goes nothing. That stuff's a lot thicker than the wool base, isn't it? Look at my hands. Oh, that's terrible, man. Terrible. I found that a bristle brush with rough sawn works a whole lot better. Do you approve? Man, look at my hair. Jeez. Alright, we got it stained. This camera makes it look purpley. It's not purpley. It looks good though. It was a good color choice. The customer picked out that color. Good choice. I like it. Gotta let this dry, and then we're gonna come back with poly. I'll see you in a second. Oh! On a side note, you remember how my hands were all purple? Look at that. They came clean. Time for poly. We're going to be using 2 different brushes. Bristle brush to get in all the rough edges and all the rough sawn material. Foam brush for all the slick stuff. Yes, I could spray it, but it's too cold outside and I can't spray inside, so this is what we're going to do. It's going to take about an hour to dry, so we'll come back, do another coat, light sand, do another coat, and then we'll be done for the bottom and the underside. We're going to spend all our time on the outside, get it looking right. 320 grit sandpaper. First coat of poly. We're gonna go back and sand it. Got little hairs that stick up. If you ever dealt with this stuff, you'll know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go to lightly sand. Don't want to get into the color though. So. I sand with one hand and feel with the other. Well, here you have it. It's done. That's what she looks like. Rustic chest. Lighting's kind of terrible in here. Rustic handles. Hey, you're still here. Good deal. I like this. This turned out really well. If you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Check out my other videos, other playlists. My brain's kind of scattered. I go all over the place. You know, I'll jump from one project to another project to another. It's just the way my brain works. But and while the weather's crappy outside, it's good to do projects inside. So, but yeah, thanks again. I hope all is going well with those who are watching and even those who are not. Take it easy.